Hello besties, welcome back to yet another awesome reaction. Welcome to today's video. So loves, in today's video we are going to Tim Hawkins' World, okay? And the title of the song, the title of the video is Sound of Starbucks. Okay, so you guys know that he's really funny, so I don't know what this particular video is all about. We'll be checking it together. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I really do appreciate. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, leave your thought, and yeah guys, so let's go to his word.
Hello, coffee, my old friend. I've come to order you again. I hear the grinding of espresso beans. I need a double shot of pure caffeine. And the indie band on the speaker soothes my brain. So I'll remain within the sounds of Starbucks. Tried to brew my own at home, but felt so.
Guys, it's like it's a song, okay? It's a sound of Starbucks. So he's singing about coffee. This man is so funny. Like his facial expression is really funny. I love. So let's keep on watching.
Quiet and alone, I need to be amid the morning rush, where the leather chairs are soft and plush, and I'll drink a grande cappuccino with a pumpkin scone, and charge my phone, listen to the sounds of Starbucks. Then I heard an awful scream. They had totes run out of cream. A new employee spilled the coffee grounds, and the Wi-Fi went completely down. And a lady in yoga pants threw her latte at the wall. The cops were called.
This guy is so funny. So this is actually a coffee song, okay? He's singing about Starbucks, coffee, drinking coffee. Like, this, how he's so creative, because for him to be able to sing in this song, to tell you how creative he is, he's just a funny, creative, amazing man. I literally enjoy all his own stand-up comedies, okay? So love, let's keep on watching.
Then came the sound of sirens. In the drive-thru lane I saw 1,000 hipsters, maybe more. People paying without drinking. People waiting, they were all freaking. People going off 'cause they couldn't get a caramel frap. Holy crap. A riot started at Starbucks while a Bible study prayed. Baristas formed a barricade. The manager cried out, oh.
I love him, okay? Because he's super creative as a comedian, and now he was able to bring out this kind of song. Gosh, people have raw talent, okay? He have raw talent, and this, he actually nailed it a lot about singing about this coffee and Starbucks, okay? Like, this is literally beautiful to watch. I'm enjoying the funny drama he's displaying in the video, because if you watch his face, his expression on his face, you know that this was meant to be a funny song. Okay, so let's keep on enjoying it.
To the angry mob that was forming, and he said, I checked Google Maps, there's a no So we stampede and return to the sounds of Starbucks.
It's finished. Oh my goodness, this man is just so funny. It's finished. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this one with me. Yeah, it's kind of a mismatch feeling. Okay, it's a song and also a comedy, because this is how I see it. I see it as a song comedy. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be dropping the link in my description box. Do want to check him out. Like, Tim is just a funny guy. Okay, I love his comedy because they make me laugh so well. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.